Hi, let's create tables. How to do that? We will need 3 new tags. But let's define general border around table. How? Using table tag. You need to open it and close it. Now inside we need to define rows. Why? Because you need to have actual data at the bottom of past data. We will do that with tr, which is table row. For every row you need to do this. There is no automatic solution, so you need to do this manually. tr, and inside tr you will put their actual content. Between td you need to open td and close td. For example, these are actually columns. So how to set, for example, headings? Sorry. Oh my god, what am I doing? Heading of our table. Let's say name and last name. It's really it's really simple. And let's see a result. Now you will see, wait a second, it's a little bit simple, too much simple. It's ugly. How to define border? So this is exactly why you have table tag. Type border equal to 1 or more. And now, nice result. Can you put 5? Why not? But the result will be funny. Let's stick with 1. So let's go with actual data. This is like headings, like explanation of what's our table about. Name of columns. So let's define actual data. We need to type tr, and let's use this template because to save a little bit of time. So name, I don't know, I'm not creative too much tonight, a little bit too tired. It's not off tired, it's just tired, right? Yeah, I need to brush my English. John Smith. There you go. So for every other data you need to repeat the process. Nice. So you're asking, for example, can you set the background? Sure, why not? BG color light gray. Nice. Now what next? Yeah, positioning. Let's use center if you wanna center things, but you know that from last tutorials, nothing special. And if you wanna do that, if you wanna position your table to far right, let's see, will that work? In this case, no. Why? Because you need to align this inside your table tag. So don't use right. You will not get correct result. So align to right. See, the thing works. Now what? Yeah, how to set width? You can set width in percents and in pixels. Let's revert this to left. We don't want to complicating things. What was I saying? Yeah, width. Let's say 500 pixels. Nice. And when you resize, of course, because of static value, there is no change there, even if you resize too much your browser. Now if you wanna your table to be resizable, totally use percents. For example, 50%. And now when you resize browser, see automatic change. Really simple stuff. So yeah, tables are a little bit maybe different, difficult to understand if you are a complete beginner. So yeah, just grab some time, a couple of coffees and practice. You cannot, make any kind of catastrophic error. This is just source code. Everything you will just, oh sorry, you can always go and delete everything and continue when you are a little bit more in a mood to change things and to learn new things. I understand that completely because um, pretty much I am every day into that position because I'm always learning something. I do understand what you're talking about. Yeah, next, can you change the color for specific rows? Yes. For example, for this last entry, BG color orange red, and there you go. So can you change for specific uh, entry, I mean highly specifically for this Smith? So let's try this, BG color equal to white, and there you go. Now you can practice as I said, but don't waste too much time on this. It's just basic stuff. Save that energy for CSS. You will be definitely pleased. I think you are happy at this point because you have learned so much. Don't worry, you will learn a lot in the next tutorials. How I know? I know. Don't worry. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.